Okay, mansion tour number 2. This is crazy. Like, I'm loving access. I never get access into places, so it's nice that I'm with the owners and they don't mind, and the house is being shown before someone lives in it. So I want to start with this doorbell because that's a whole thing. This is a sliding door. Love it, remote access, and let's go inside. Still prioritized some space for trees. Very good. Okay, let us enter. So it's still under some construction. Windows are nice. Okay, so this is the living room. These windows are luxe, man. Honestly, I'm obsessed with these windows. They're so perfect, easy access, and actually suction tight, so there's no wind coming through anywhere. Perfect. Wow. Another room, and it has its own bathroom. Nice little bathroom. Okay, so here we have access to outdoor. Oh, it's a little patio, veranda. Love it. So this must be, I don't really know, but I'm kind of obsessed with this texture, this wall. Wow. Okay, let's see where else. I'm getting lost. I should have my tour guides. Okay, so this is another outdoor area. I really love these. Beautiful. Outdoor washroom. And then access to the outdoor hallway. Can't wait to get up there. Let's go up there. The kitchen. Wow, I was not expecting that. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a really nice kitchen, and it gets even bigger. Oh, wow. Okay, dream kitchen. Definitely a dream kitchen. MashaAllah. I don't even cook, but I'd be ready to cook in here. Nice. I love these door handles. And the doors. If you know, you know how much that means for the door not, that one slammed, for the door not to slam. Look at that. Okay, come on, when you come outside, like this, and then even the light switches, I don't know, it's the little things for me, guys. So we'll go up to the 3 bedrooms. The doors, the front doors are beautiful. Expensive. Yeah, they look expensive. Look at that. Small room here. And this is access further. We'll go up there in a second. So second floor has the main bathroom. This is actually really big. Oh, I love these tiles. Okay, master bedroom is already showing off with the lights. Wow. Oh, wow. MashaAllah. These little gold things. Look at these. What's in here? Yes, master bathroom. Look at the tub. I'm dying. These are so cute. So clearly it's still being put together, but it's already winter. It's already winter for me. Okay, so back out to the hallway. This is another bedroom. It's a good size. Has a window. And as soon as you go around the corner, you have access to the rooftop terrace. Did we already go to the third floor? This is not even the third floor. This is the second floor terrace. Okay. Okay, talk about luxury. Okay. This is nice. So you can see where we were downstairs. That was the kitchen. And then you come up here. Beauty. Just imagine chilling out here for Asr, watching the sunset. Finished at the terrace and the second floor with 3 bedrooms and the master. And now we go up to the third balcony, guys. Rooftop. Love a rooftop vibe. Let's go check this out. Wow. Big rooftop. That's spacious. I love how high this is. It actually like covers you. There's your view. That's your rooftop view. Oh, the little acacia trees. Priceless. And the rest of Hargeisa. Bye-bye. Well, that's it for our mansion tour. Let me know if you need any more details about a home like this, what it would cost, how you can contact. Just send me an email. If you remember and have been following along with these vlogs, I went on a tour with Shubsan Construction company where they took me to a number of their properties, one of which was actually the Dahabshil complex, as you can see in this clip here. If you're wondering why, what makes Shubsan more special than any other company, well, the name says it for themselves. The houses are fully concrete. There is no brick used in the process of building these mansions. New technology that was brought to Hargeisa. Let me know if you want to see more houses or if we should quit while we're ahead because we're getting a little bit too jealous of all these beautiful mansions. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to leave a like.